just want to know, ngokucabanga wakho nanokubheka impilo yakho from where you were at eqaleni la khona nala uya khona, would you say impilo is a product of willpower, of free will, I'm sorry, or would you say it is predetermined and it's given to us by maybe the owner of consciousness, by our maker, by, I don't know, the higher powers? That's the question. 073-709-1991. Is everything in your hands? Oh, no, it's not. It's actually all given to us. Oguti, you're going to be, whatever you're going to be tomorrow has nothing to do with your decisions. But the decisions you take are given to you. Everything is pre-planned and predetermined for you. Is that the case? Or nah? Everything is in our hands. 073-709-1991, 086-10-10-300. Social media at Vuma FM. Music playing in the background is our courtesy Kususa, Agento Das, Zex Bantwini. Asanda is the name of the song. Good morning, KZN.